All right, guys, let's go to the scrapyard. That was just a little bit from my yard. Let's go see what kind of money we can make from it. Scrapping with Grandpa, what's next?
Yeah, he comes in a lot.
I do.
There we go. Okay, that would look weird for a second. This one pays more.
Yeah.
These are just going to the white goods.
Yeah, there you go.
She sprinkles you out a little bit. Yeah, I think so. Yes, sir, I think that's all I have of them things.
Yes, sir. 30.
Did you have an aluminum one too?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, I see, man.
I do. 41 pounds. Yes, I do. Sure do. And then some ends, actually. I know you got a category for these. Has he taught you the category?
Yep, copper aluminum entrances.
Yep.
I got that.
That's right, you got it. And that's going to be, yeah, that one small aluminum one.
Yeah, no, this one is going to go in the white goods too.
And then we got some copper ends, brother.
Yes, sir.
Seems like we got 3 pounds, my friend.
All right, what else we got?
That is it, brother. I'm going to be going around. I'm going to go out and weigh out now.
Here we go.
Alright, what we got? Alright, we empty.
You're all set.
Alright, let's go. Grab my grandpa. What's next? Make that money. Get paid, that's what's next. Get paid.
If this didn't answer it, I'm trying to.
How are you doing there, lady?
Oh, I got a headache.
Oh yeah? Oh, I hate headaches.
Yeah,
Headaches. Oh. Alright, how did we do? My name is Sue. How did we do? Really? Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, look at that. 325. What a way to start the week. You serious right now? Huh? What a way to start the week. Oops, let's go grab some.
Please scan your barcode.
One time. Look at that. So much money. 325, guys, and we'll go over that when we get in the car. Aluminum breakage, 40 to 50%. Oh my goodness. Looks like we had 30 pounds of that. Well, Grandpa, what's next?